Clogged drains are the worst, but you can totally fix them at home using just white vinegar and baking soda. Seriously, it works like magic. So here's the deal. First, pour about a half cup of baking soda right into the drain. Then slowly add a cup of white vinegar on top of it. You'll see it fizz up immediately. That's the magic, working to break down whatever's causing the clog. Let that sit and bubble for like 10 to 15 minutes without running any water. After that, flush the drain with boiling hot water to wash everything away. Sometimes you might have to repeat this process 1 or 2 more times, depending on how bad the clog is. Also, avoid using harsh chemicals because they can mess up your pipes and are bad for the environment. This method is super cheap, easy, and doesn't require any special tools or a plumber. I swear by it, and have saved so much cash on drain cleaning. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to unclog a drain is using too much baking soda or vinegar all at once, which can overflow and make a mess. Just stick to small amounts, like I said. Another common issue is not waiting long enough for the fizzing reaction to work. Rushing this step means your clog won't clear properly, so give it at least 10 minutes. Lastly, people often forget to flush with hot water afterward, which is key to pushing the loosened gunk down the pipes. Don't skip that step, or you'll end up right back where you started. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome resource that helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors for all kinds of projects, including plumbing fixes if this DIY trick doesn't quite do the job. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a great place to connect with people who need your skills and grow your business.